In today's video, I will show you how to fix the issue when the Grammarly icon is not showing in Microsoft Word. This problem can be annoying, especially if you use Grammarly every day. But don't worry, I will guide you through a simple process that should take only a few minutes. First, open Microsoft Word and make sure you are logged in with the account that has the Grammarly add-in installed. Next, open a blank document so we can check the add-in clearly. Now go to the Home tab and look for the Add-ins section. Here you will see all the add-ins installed in Word. Check if Grammarly is listed here. If it is listed, make sure it is enabled. If Grammarly is not listed or it is not working properly, try logging out of your Microsoft account and then logging back in. This often refreshes the connection and makes the icon appear again. If the icon is still missing, open the Grammarly app from your desktop or the Start menu. Once Grammarly is open, it should automatically connect with Word and show the Grammarly sidebar inside your document. This sidebar works the same way as the icon and gives you access to all Grammarly tools for proofreading and writing improvements. Also, make sure both Microsoft Word and Grammarly are updated to the latest versions. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues and prevent add-ins from appearing. If you follow these steps, the Grammarly icon should now appear in Word. If the issue continues, you may need to contact Grammarly support for further help.